Are you dealing with email overwhelm? Getting too much email and getting backed up? I have a solution for you. Stay tuned. I know that email overwhelm is a problem that cuts across all jobs in companies large and small. We're all getting too much email. But I learned a way many years ago to deal with my email effectively and productively. And so I actually do not get stressed out about email. I use the process called Inbox Zero. What is Inbox Zero? I learned about it from David Allen, the famed author of Getting Things Done. I read the book and I even got to see David in San Francisco many years ago, and it was fantastic. I've learned so much from following the work of David Allen. If you're not familiar with his work, I highly recommend that you go and research it. Read the book Getting Things Done. So this idea of Inbox Zero, it struck me because I was the type of person that allowed thousands of emails to build up in my inbox. I just treated my inbox like one big folder. That's a problem because it creates clutter. And to me, clutter creates confusion, stress, and saps my creativity. So I decided to tackle my inbox and go with the Inbox Zero solution. Truly was not easy. It took me a whole weekend to get my inbox down to zero. And within not too long, my email had gone up again. So I had to do it all over again, break it down, and get back down to zero. Since then, it's been years now, and my email has never gone over, usually about 100 at the most. But on most days, by the end of the day, I'm down to 10 emails or less in my inbox. So probably more like inbox 10 than zero, but that's good enough for me because here are the benefits. I never miss an email. I mean it. I never miss an email because I see every email that comes into my inbox and everyone gets a response. And that makes me highly responsive. That's a characteristic that people really like in me, that they know if they send me an email that needs a response, they're going to get one. They don't need to call me. They don't need to text me. They don't need to send another email wondering what happened to that first email. And that makes my job easier because I'm not getting reminders and multiple messages saying the same thing. So that improves my productivity. Having a clean inbox creates a clean mind. That's what I like. When it's time to focus on projects, no loose ends because all of my email is dealt with. Here's how I do it. I made the decision that I would go with Inbox Zero years ago. It's an all or nothing decision. Either you do it or you don't. I do it, and I have relentless, maniacal times dedicated to getting rid of email. Like every day, I block out time to get rid of email, to deal with it. And I use the philosophy called touch it once. Touch it once means once you open that email, do something about it. Reply, forward it, file it, delete it, or snooze it. I use the snooze feature. At times when email is not really urgent, I'll snooze it and have it come on another day when it's more important. So I use that feature liberally, and you should too, because some email that comes in doesn't need to be dealt with that day. I file all of my email. I have lots and lots of folders that I put the email into as soon as I've dealt with it, and you should do the same thing. Don't treat your inbox like one big folder. These are the benefits that I've gotten. These are the ways that I go after it. You too can become more productive by using Inbox Zero. But the last tip that I'll give you, and I've seen many people that I've consulted with make this mistake, separate your professional and personal email. Don't connect the two because your professional inbox is how you make money and your reputation is staked on it. So focus on just your professional email when you're working and when you're in your email. And that will also reduce the amount of email that you get. Follow these ideas and you'll become more productive. I know it's hard to start, but once you do, you'll find that it's really a great method. If you have comments about Inbox Zero, please write them in the comments below. If you have questions about how to be more productive, put them in the comments also, or email me at michael@buildandbalance.com. If you like this video, please like it, comment on it, and share it. And of course, subscribe to my channel. If you have an interest in my services, please go to my website, buildandbalance.com, and you'll see that I offer one-on-one and group training services. Thank you very much.